Hi everyone, this is Motion Master manual. Here is our integrated machine. Before plugging to use, we need to please make sure the software is ready. Okay, another cable is for your keyboard and mouse. After that, just plug in to use. Alright, the integrated machine turned on successfully, and then we need to use our mouse right here to choose, to click, to turn on the software. Okay, you can stand in front of the integrated machine, raise up your right hand to check. Okay, that's perfect.